and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, please do well to subscribe below and hit the bell notification, and then you can give me a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm to make sure that the video is being shown to other interested persons, and also you can share it to your friends or your community. And then let's get into it. So now I appreciate the returning subscribers a lot, and if you are new, I appreciate it as well, because it's gonna be a beautiful journey with us. So this is the message that she sent to me, and just how did you change the background image in the video to the brown color and still maintain the shadow in the background? First of all, this is the email. I know obviously you might see it. If you didn't, I'm going to link it somewhere here. I'll link the video there. This is the um image, the product image, and this is the background. So because their website is brown, they use brown on the background, so I have to replicate the same thing on their email. So what I did was that I removed this background, and if you notice that if you remove the background, you are going to see this shadow here that makes the image looks great, because if it was like this, it's just going to be floating on the design. So what I did was I I play around with shadows a lot, because that is just how you can go around with making your design looks great, because there is no object that light actually reflects on it that does not cast a shadow. So it's only is it something like spirits that doesn't have shadow? Everything have shadow, living and non-living things. So now for this particular product image, you know that this is going to be the direction of the this is going to be like the direction of the sun. Like if I want to say, okay, let me just give a brief. This is going to be the direction of the rays. It's going to hit it from here. So that is how I worked with when I'm really dealing with shadow. The rays is going to hit this product from this angle, and then what way the shadow is going to be, it's going to cast. So depending, if you want the rays to hit the bottle from this angle, then it's still fine. Depending, just make sure that it is actually in the right direction. So for me, it was this angle that the rays hit that particular product. So do well to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification. So then the next thing I did was I pick up my pen tool here. I picked up my pen tool, sorry about that, and then I drew the direction of. So I picked up my pen tool, and then I start drawing out. Okay, how I do is that I picked it from this particular angle here. Okay, I click on escape, and then I pick it from this angle down here, and then I move it over to here so that it's going to cast. So I go back on it, and then the next thing is to fill it because it was stroke. So I'm going to reduce the edges a bit, and then I make it black. So once I'm done with that, the next thing is to go on effects, drop shadow, layer blur. Then I'm going to play with the blur strength to make sure that it's not that obvious. Oops, okay. So I'm going to try to reduce it a bit. Then I increase it, and I reduce it. Then I'll take it up here. Okay. Then I'll try to reduce it 60. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that I move this to back, sorry, to front. Yeah, almost there. The shadow is too harsh, so try to reduce it, reduce it. So I'll take it to the front again, and yeah. So at this point here, you know that, oh, what you're actually working on is trying to achieve and making the shadow looks great. So they have to, there's always a lot of adjustment and stuff, and then you can reduce this. Okay, maybe take it all, and then yeah, so you have something like this that you can play around with, that you can play around with. And with my pen tool again, I'm going to make sure I followed up this. Alright, so I'm able to achieve that. I don't know if you saw, you can actually rewatch the video over and over again. If you still have any challenge, you can comment down, and then I'll be able to see how best I can help. So that's practically how you can give an object without a shadow and make it line. So you always have to play with it and make sure that you achieve what you want. So this wasn't a long video, and I'm glad you stayed and watched to the end. So thank you very much. Do well to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also give it a thumbs up. Thanks. So I'll see you in the next episode. Probably if I have any quick question in the community, I'm going to try my best to shoot video. So a lot of times I do shoot video based on requests, because I'm not doing this for me, I'm doing this for you. So if you want to learn a particular thing, maybe, oh, you have challenges or in a particular area or subject that has to deal with email design, just make sure that you shoot me a message or you drop me a comment, and I'm going to try my best to make sure that I shoot a video and address that problem. So let's just say that I'm doing mostly on users requests or users generated content, but I'm still going to do my best to make sure that I shoot content that has to deal with email designs as well. Probably that might actually cover a whole area, because it's always a long form content like 1 hour, because I need to design the full email live while you watch me. So I do appreciate if you can just have that patience to sit down and watch. You're definitely going to learn a lot of tricks or hacks and stuff on how I approach design, and how you can make sure that your designs are improving and they are good. So thank you very much. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.